Good day everyone. Today we touching one of the sensitive story, the battle between Dudula and South Africans with foreigners family. South Africans with foreign family members are speaking out against Operation Dudula, calling for an immediate shutdown of the controversial movement. The growing tension between locals and immigrants has reached a boiling point, with many citizens finding themselves caught in the crossfire of xenophobic sentiments. Operation Dudula, a group known for its anti-immigrant stance, has been gaining traction in recent months. However, their actions have not only affected foreign nationals but also South African citizens who have built families and lives with people from other countries. These South Africans are now raising their voices, demanding an end to the divisive campaign that threatens to tear apart their multicultural households. The impact of Operation Dudula's activities has been far-reaching, affecting businesses, communities, and families across the nation. South Africans married to foreigners or with children of mixed heritage are particularly vulnerable, facing discrimination and hostility from their own countrymen. This unexpected consequence has led to a surge of opposition against the movement, with many arguing that it goes against the very fabric of South Africa's diverse society. Personal stories have emerged, highlighting the human cost of Operation Dudula's actions. Families have been torn apart, with some members facing deportation or feeling forced to leave the country they've called home for years. These heart-wrenching accounts have sparked empathy and outrage among South Africans, prompting calls for unity and understanding rather than division and hatred. The legal implications of Operation Dudula's activities have also come under scrutiny. Many South Africans with foreign family members argue that the movement's actions violate constitutional rights and international human rights laws. Legal experts have weighed in, questioning the legality of some of the group's more aggressive tactics and calling for government intervention to protect all residents, regardless of their nationality. Community leaders and civil society organizations have stepped up to support those affected by Operation Dudula's campaign. They're organizing peaceful protests, awareness campaigns, and support groups to help families navigate the challenges posed by rising xenophobia. These efforts aim to foster dialogue and promote understanding between different communities, countering the divisive narrative pushed by Operation Dudula. The economic impact of Operation Dudula's activities has not gone unnoticed. South Africans with foreign spouses or business partners have reported significant disruptions to their livelihoods. Small businesses, often the backbone of local economies, have been forced to close or relocate due to threats and intimidation. This economic strain has added fuel to the calls for shutting down the movement, with many arguing that it's harming the very people it claims to protect. Government response to the situation has been mixed, with some officials condemning Operation Dudula's actions while others have remained silent. This lack of a unified stance has frustrated many South Africans, who are calling for clear leadership and decisive action to address the root causes of xenophobia and protect all residents of the country. The international community has also taken notice of the situation, with human rights organizations and foreign governments expressing concern over the treatment of immigrants in South Africa. This global attention has put additional pressure on authorities to address the issue and find a peaceful resolution that respects the rights of all individuals, regardless of their country of origin. As the debate rages on, South Africans with foreign family members continue to push for change. They're sharing their stories, organizing grassroots movements, and leveraging social media to spread their message of unity and acceptance. Their voices are growing louder, demanding that their fellow citizens recognize the value of diversity and the strength that comes from embracing different cultures and backgrounds. The call to shut down Operation Dudula is more than just a rejection of xenophobia. It's a plea for a more inclusive and compassionate South Africa. It's a reminder that love knows no borders and that families come in all shapes and sizes. As this movement gains momentum, it offers hope for a future where all South Africans, regardless of their family's origins, can live together in harmony and mutual respect. Thank you for making this far to the video. Do you think the family that have married to foreigners must suffer, or they have the same voice as the Dudula? Does who will win what the South African law has to say? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Peace out.